When the lights turn out and it's just me and you, ask me to choose. What will I do? See, if I gain the world, then I lose my soul. Who sticks by my side when my years grow old? So it's not easy, but when I think of you, I want to be satisfied with you. If I never get that house, that car, I'll be a superstar, and my dreams never come true. Will I be satisfied with you? And if no one ever knows my name and my gifts don't bring me fame, if everything I have someday I lose, well, I'll be satisfied with you, satisfied with you. Jesus, I want you. I want to be satisfied with you. If I never get that house, that car, I'll be a superstar,